अमिताभ सर हियर। आज इस वीडियो में मैं बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट चैप्टर के अगले टॉपिक में आऊंगा और वो टॉपिक है हमारा बिजनेस डायमेंशंस। वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक। नाउ let us first understand what business dimension means. Business dimension means the factors surrounding the business which a business has to follow up for their improvement or for their successful running. यानी बिजनेस के चारों तरफ जो भी फैक्टर्स हैं उसे हम बिजनेस डायमेंशंस कहते हैं। इनसे पीछा बिजनेस कभी नहीं छुड़ा सकता, ठीक है। और ये जो भी है मैंने आपको इससे पिछले टॉपिक में बताया था। देयर आर टू फैक्टर्स, वन इज जनरल फैक्टर, द अदर वन इज स्पेसिफिक फैक्टर्स। स्पेसिफिक फैक्टर्स वो होता है जो बिजनेस से डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड होता है और जनरल फैक्टर्स वो होता है जो किसी एक पर्टिकुलर बिजनेस के लिए नहीं होता है, वो सारे बिजनेस के लिए होता है। और अधिकतर जो हमारा बिजनेस डायमेंशंस है इट्स रिलेटेड टू दोज जनरल फैक्टर्स। रिमेंबर, ठीक है। ये ऐसे फैक्टर है जो डायरेक्टली तो बिजनेस से रिलेटेड नहीं है पर बिजनेस को कहीं ना कहीं ये बहुत ज्यादा इफेक्ट करता है और बिजनेस चाह के भी इसका पीछा नहीं छुड़ा सकता, ठीक है। इसे हम बिजनेस डायमेंशंस कहते हैं। तो बिजनेस डायमेंशन को हम कैसे डिफाइन कर सकते हैं? द फैक्टर्स व्हिच आर कंसीडर्ड इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर टेकिंग डिसीजंस एंड फॉर इंप्रूविंग द ऑपरेशंस ऑफ अ firm. Now, as I told you that business dimensions are the most important factors surrounding a business, and you see, I have given you a diagram here. This is one of the business which is surrounded by 5 such factors, and these 5 factors will be known as business dimensions. So let us see what are those 5 factors. The first one is economic environment. The second one is social environment, third one is political environment, fourth one is legal environment, and the fifth one is technological environment. So let us understand one by one. So you see, economic environment, it contains these 4 components. What are those 4 components? Inflation, taxation, customs duty, and rate of interest. Let us understand one by one. Now just think of inflation. Suppose there is the condition of inflation in an economy. What happens in case of inflation is the purchasing power of people will decrease. Whenever there is a condition of inflation, the price of commodities increase and the purchasing power of people will decrease. Now if you are a businessman, now what do you think of producing a new product or launching a new product in the market in this situation? Absolutely not, because your product will not be sold. So you see, inflation affects your business, so it comes under economic environment. Let us take the example of rate of interest. Suppose the rate of housing loan has been increased by the RBI. Now what will happen? What will be the repercussion of this? That people will stop buying new houses, new flats and all that. So real estate business will be affected a lot. So this you have learned about economic environment. So we have to consider the factors of economic environment. Now the second one is social environment. Let us see how social environment affects a business. You see, let us talk about India. India is a country where we have to follow a lot of customs, traditions and all that. Let us say Holi. Holi is a very famous festival in India. Now you see, the companies or the business firms which produce the colors in Holi, you know, we use colors, different colors. So the firms or the companies which produce colors, they earn a lot of money from this festival, you know. Let us take the example of Diwali. Now what happens in Diwali, you know, in Diwali we in India follow Dhanteras. We all know Dhanteras is a very famous festival. What happens in Dhanteras? Every sort of material, every sort of commodity is purchased in a boom. Everybody, whether he or she is a small consumer, whether he or she is a large consumer, everybody purchases and follow the ritual of buying any sort of thing. It may be electronics item, it may be jewelry items. So what happens? So social environment also affects the business. Understand? Then come to political environment. You see, now whenever there is a change in government, and I must tell you, uh, each political party has got some has got their own ideology, has got their own ideology. So whenever, suppose nowadays there is such a government which allows import substitution, means that the government says that we won't import goods anymore, rather what we do, we produce it in our domestic territory. Okay, this will boom the industrial sector. So we can see that political environment also brings an effect on your business. Then you have legal environment. Now legal environment constitutes several acts, like Companies Act, let us say, like Companies Act, like Industrial and Industry Development Act. Okay, so there are so many acts under the purview of which, under the umbrella of which every business has to run. A business cannot run ignoring these acts. So these acts had a great impact on the running of the business. Suppose you are a company registered under Companies Act 2013. Now you cannot do any sort of things which is not there in your memorandum of association or articles of association that has been registered under Registrar of Companies. So you have to do, your nature of business has to be the business which you have specifically mentioned in your memorandum of association. So while running the business, you also have to focus on legal environment, which consists of several acts. Now let us come to the fifth dimension, that is technological environment. Technological environment includes scientific innovations and technological advancements. You know, on regular basis we can see that there is some upgradation in technology, and we have to adapt that technology. And such technologies are very fruitful to a business which adapt those technologies, because it reduces the cost and enhances the revenue. You see, 5 to 6 years ago we used to use the keypad phones, mobile phones, rather say mobile phones. Nowadays everybody has got a smartphone. So what happened to that keypad phone? That become obsolete, and the business has to adapt this technology of smartphones. If they won't have adopted this, they would have out of the market. So you see, these are the dimensions under the umbrella of which a business has to run.